What is good, YouTube, and to my sneaker world family? It is your guy once again, JUDL12, aka Bubba, back with another quick review. And guys, as always, before we get started, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button for your boy, and also smash that notification bell for upcoming vids. And also, thank you guys for all the love and support of the channel. We are on our way to 1,000 subs. And guys, I just want to thank all the new subscribers who have joined the Bubba Files family. Thank you so much. And let go. So we will get to that 1,000 subs, guys. And I just want to thank you for all the love and support. And now I will bring to you guys, this is the Air Jordan 2 K54s, and these released July 23rd of 2016. Now the retail price was $180. These were also overseas, a Europe exclusive, and let's just get this. Let me do this quick rant here. You know, I hear a lot of these YouTubers, a lot of people on there online, and they say that they don't rock or don't like Jordan 2s. Now, let me just say this real quick. For those who, listen, I'm going to try to tread, just be nice about it. Okay, like, I'm going to just say it. Like, everybody who says that they don't like Jordan 2s, they don't rock with 2s. But they'll, try to go out and get the most exclusive 2. And they never bring the K54 because it's one of the dopest 2s that they've released. Other than the OG colorway. And I can go down the line. You have your Ben 2s or, etc. Dornbacher 2s. There's a lot of different 2s. But the silhouette, just period, is a dope silhouette. Me personally, I love the Jordan 2s. Now, but I am a sneakerhead. I love the silhouette. I hear people say, man, I don't like Jordan 2s, man, they're bulky, this, that, and the other. They're very comfortable, by the way. And the people that say that, they're not real sneakerheads, because if you are a sneakerhead, you rock with Jordans, you love Jordan, you like a Jordan 2. You should love have a Jordan 2 in your collection, or you like Jordan 2, because Tinker Hatfield took the design. He just took from the 1 and the 2s, and then he combined. That's where he got the 3s. So you can go on, etc. And then with the 4s, he took the design from the 1s and 2s. A lot of people don't even like the 1s and 2s, which is crazy to me. But that's another video. Stay tuned for that. But that's just my little quick rant. But man, these are absolutely insane, guys. I love the Jordan 2s, especially the K54. Very dope, man. This easily could be it was an exclusive, mad dope. But they could have jacked the price up even worse on these. And there's your outsole there, guys. But let's get into it, man. I'm gonna let y'all get a quick 360 of these. You have your K54 right there on the tongue. This is a Jordan Brand tournament that's sponsored by Jordan Brand. They have every year. You have your P75 here. That's for Paris, and that's for the Civic Center or City Center in Paris. That's to give the shouts out to them there. They put that on the back. You have your Wings logo right there. Your Nike on the back. And we wear our shoes, guys. You have your Milky outsole with the K54 logo. But yeah, man, there's your insole there. Very dope, guys. Very dope. Very underrated silhouette. Very, very, very underrated. So with that, guys, if you haven't checked out the Air Jordan 5, click here. But this has been JUDL12, aka Bubba.